Welcome to another episode of Math Made Simple. I'm Miss Munah and I'm a math specialist here at the Pi Lab. In this video, I'll be analysing some common examination questions. I've put the question in a handout and you may download a copy for free by clicking on the description box below. So let's get started. Today I'm going to be showing you how to solve a rather popular question, which is about word problems involving rounding. So let's read the question together. The population of Tiong Bahru in 2019 was 13,000, correct to the nearest 1,000. And the question wants us to find the largest and the smallest possible value of the population at this given point in time, which is in 2019. So over here, the question told us 13,000. Okay, 13,000 is actually the population of Tiong Bahru, but this is not the exact value because the question also tells us that it has been rounded off to the nearest 1,000. Now, there are many ways to solve this question. One of the popular ways children normally do it is by guessing. Okay, they try to guess the numbers, but I have a very efficient way, so I'm going to show it to you. So first of all, we're going to draw a number line. So all of you follow me, draw a number line. And because it's already been rounded off to 13,000, 13,000 will be the number in the middle of our number line. And after that, what do we do next? Because they tell us that it has been rounded off to the nearest 1,000, which is basically 1,000, what you're going to do next is to add 1,000 to your right, which will give us 14,000. And subtract 1,000 to get the number on your left. And what is that? Yes, it is 12,000. Now, once you get the numbers over here, which are the ends, I want you to find the middle number in between 12,000 and 13,000, as well as the number in between 13,000 and 14,000. Okay, I'll give you all maybe 30 seconds to come up with those two numbers. Yes, that's right. Okay, you should get 12,500 and 13,500. Now, because the question asks us for the largest and smallest possible values, one of the answers is already here. So it's either 12,500 or 13,500. Now, let's start with the smallest value first. Because 12,500 is smaller than 13,500, the smallest possible value is likely to be 12,500. So let's write that down. 12,500. Now, is this the smallest value? And what do I mean by is this the smallest value? Is this the smallest value such that when 12,500 is rounded off to the nearest 1,000, it should give me 13,000. So let's check. When we want to round off to the nearest 1,000, we should be looking at the place value, hundreds. So because this is a 5, it will cause the number to round up. So I will get 13,000, which works. But is this really the smallest value? What if I go one number smaller, somewhere over here, which is one number smaller than 12,500? What is that? It is 12,499. So let's see. 12,499. When rounded off to the nearest 1,000, what do we get? So nearest 1,000 means you look at the digit in the hundreds place. And because it is a 4, 5 or below, right? So this is a 4. 5 or below means you need to round down. And this means that I get back my 12,000, which is not what I want. So that's why the smallest value over here will be my 12,500. So let's write that down. The smallest possible value is 12,500. Like I've proven to you, you cannot go anywhere below 12,500. Alright? So whenever you draw a number line, the first number that you see on the left will always be the smallest value. Now, is it true that 13,500 is then the largest value? Okay, let me put a question mark here. Is it true? So let's check. If we say that our answer for the largest possible value is 13,500, then by right, if you round it off to the nearest 1,000, you should get 13,000. So let's check. the number in the hundreds place is 5, which will cause this to round up, and we will get 14,000. Is that what we want? No, we want 13,000. So this is a wrong answer. Then you might want to ask yourself, do we go bigger than 13,500? Do I go 13501? Or should we go smaller, which is 13499? Now, if you're considering to go bigger, does it make sense or not? Because 13,500, when you round it off to the nearest thousand, it already gives you 14,000. So if you're going to take one more than 13,500, which is 13,501, when you round it off to the nearest thousand, you look at the hundreds place, which is still a 5, right? And you round this off to the nearest thousand, you still get 14,000, which is not right. So you cannot go to the right of 13,500. You cannot go more. You must go smaller, the other way around. So let's take a look at 13,499, which is 1 less than 13,500. Okay, let's see. Is this indeed the largest value? So I'm going to round this off to the nearest thousand. So look at the hundreds digit. It is a 4. This will cause the number to round down, and we will get 13,000, which is exactly what we want. So boys and girls, the largest value would be, in this case, 13,000. And there you have it, the smallest value and the largest value. And all you have to do is to draw a number line like this. Thank you for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you found this video useful, give us a thumbs up. If you would like to check out more videos by us, please click on the links on the right hand side. Last but not least, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. Thank you, and I'll see you guys again next time. Bye!